Russia spotted 4 moons in the sky. Glitch in the universe. Relax. There is only one moon. High in the atmosphere, flat ice crystals act like tiny prisms. Moonlight bends through them at exactly 22 degrees. Ice crystals are hexagonal prisms. Moonlight passes through 2 side faces, right pointing arrow, exactly like a 60 degrees prism. For a prism, delta equals I plus E, A. For minimum deviation, I equals E. Using Snell's law, for ice n is approximately is equals to 1.31 and A is equals to 60 degrees. Solving gives, delta is approximately is equals to 22 degrees. This is why Paraselene always appears 22 degrees away from the moon. No randomness, pure geometry. But why multiple moons appears? Each ice crystal bends light at 22 degrees. Millions of crystals equals same deviation angle. Geometry forces images to appear left and right at the same height. This is collective refraction, not reflection. Subscribe for math that changes how you see the sky.